This video in no way is to encourage you to travel right now. All of us were fully vaccinated and took off our masks only for photos or videos. Please continue to take precautions against COVID-19 and stay safe. सम्राट जहांगीर ने ये कश्मीर के बारे में कहा था, अगर इस धरती पे कहीं जन्नत है तो यही है, बस यही है।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Kashmir. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know that I planned a little birthday trip for myself and my siblings to Kashmir. So today we're in Srinagar. It's a day one of Srinagar. We're going to be here for 2 days and then we're going to move on to Pahalgam. I am going to be vlogging the entire trip. This place is called the Heaven on Earth and trust me, it is true. I have some amazing views from my room that's right there, and the property that we're staying in, the Taj Vivanta, it's right next to the Dal Lake, as you can see, and it looks really pretty. I have never been a mountain person, guys, trust me, but coming to Kashmir, that's totally changing for me. So I'm gonna vlog everything for you guys, and if you guys are planning a trip to Kashmir, this vlog actually might be helpful for you all. So stay tuned and keep watching. So this is a room and we have some views right here, and once we go in, you have the balcony. That's my brother. Okay, we have the balcony right there, which gives you views again. It is so pretty. Like I said, I think I am starting to like mountains thanks to Kashmir. So it's about 4:30 right now, and we are gonna go for a shikara ride on the Dal Lake, of course. And we want to catch the sunset while we're there. I'm obviously gonna vlog it and take you guys along, so stay tuned. It's supposed to be really pretty. The weather here is actually kind of hot. We were expecting it to be like around 21 degrees, but it's 28 degrees, which is almost the same as Delhi. This is the first time I'm actually trying to make like a proper travel walk vlog, so I hope it turns out well. Yeah, let's take you guys.
While we were on the Shikara ride, we had numerous sellers come up to us to sell their products, and trust me, they had some hilarious ways of marketing it to us. Check this out.
आपने वो टीवी में देखा नहीं देखा मुझे लग रहा है शकता को कोशिश
So I am on the Shikara boat right now, and this is the floating market. As you guys can see, it's extremely pretty, and it's just, I don't think I've ever seen anything so pretty. Let me just turn around and show you guys.
फ्लोटिंग मार्केट बोलते हैं, दूसरे को बोलते हैं मीना बाजार। यहाँ पर जब लेक जमता है उस टाइम कढ़ाई का काम करते हैं, बास्केट बनाते हैं, शॉल बनाते हैं, और यहाँ 100 रुपीस स्टार्ट होता है।
So after the Shikara ride, we've come to this place called the Khyam Chowk. They've got all the local food specialties that are available here. We're trying out some kebabs and something called tuj. I think that's mutton. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of Srinagar. Yesterday, after the Shikara, we went to eat at Khyam Chowk, a little bit of which I vlogged. Then we just came back home, to the hotel, chilled a little bit, played Catan, drank some wine, and had dinner and all of that. Then we cut my birthday cake, and I wanted to wake up early at 5:30 actually to catch the sunrise, but that didn't end up happening. But it's around 6:45, so I'm not that late. Obviously the sun is already up, but it looks really pretty. It's so serene. You can literally hear all the animals literally and the birds chirping, and it's really serene. I am obviously going to take you around shortly, but before that I'm just gonna go get brushed, and then we're also gonna go have breakfast. We have breakfast outdoors, so it has a really nice view, of course, so I'm gonna show you guys that too. Before I head for breakfast, I'm quickly going to show you guys the products that I'm carrying with me for my skin. My skin, like I showed you guys in my travel vlog to Agra, where I surprised my sister, it had been breaking out that time, but luckily and fortunately it has stopped breaking out. Only redness and blemishes are there now. I am carrying the Sensibio Gel Mousse from Bioderma with me. I really trust Bioderma products when I'm traveling because I know these will not break me out at all. This was not available in India when I showed it to you guys last time in the vlog. These are now available on Nykaa, so I'm going to link them down below in the description box in case you guys do want to check it out. The active ingredient in this is called cocoa glucoside, which really soothes your skin. It helps restore your skin, and it's of course non-comedogenic as well. So if you're looking for a new face wash to try, I would highly recommend you give this one a try. Bioderma products are recommended by dermats all over the globe. These are all products that are made in France, so you know you can really trust it and while giving this a try. Last time I also showed you guys the Sensibio tonic. This is again a moisturizing toner. It really calms, soothes your skin and helps calm down the redness on your skin. It's super moisturizing. In fact, I don't even need a moisturizer if I'm using this. In fact, I'm going to quickly use this right now. The active ingredient in this is a mixture of glycerine and xylitol along with DAF patent, which again, like I said, is great for your skin because it calms it down and helps reduce redness. Along with that, of course, you guys know the micellar water, which I love a lot. I've been using this since like 2-3 years now. So this is like my holy grail makeup remover. You guys must have seen it in all my skincare related videos. It's always been there. And in fact, this is the world's first micellar water, if I'm not wrong. So you know you can trust it. And I love Bioderma. So anyway, I'm going to put all the links down below for you guys. So you must check it out. I don't have makeup right now, so I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to put a video out here of how I usually like to use it. So that's all that I'm actually carrying with me for my skincare, because I don't want to use too much and break myself out. Now I'm actually very hungry too. I am gonna head to the breakfast area and show you guys the amazing views. So I'm just starting off with some fruits, but you have got to see the view. So after breakfast, we did a quick lunch, and I think I slept also for a little bit. And we decided to come to this place called Doodh Patri. It was about 40 kilometers from where we were staying. It was supposed to take us only like 2.5 hours, but it ended up taking us like 3 hours because I think we got lost on the way or something. But anyway, we're here now and it's beautiful. I think it was totally worth it even if we went off the route. Kashmir is so beautiful. I've been to Switzerland as well, and if not as pretty, it's probably prettier than Switzerland. So it is raining, but it is so beautiful. So we're just gonna sit here and have kava. So we are back in the hotel. It was a tiring day, but I had so much fun. All of us had so much fun. Definitely one of the best birthdays I've had. Couldn't have asked for a better one. And in case you guys are still watching this video, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. I still have 2 more days left in Kashmir, so if this video gets really long, I may end up making a part 2 of this video. So if that happens, make sure you hit that subscribe button on my channel to get notified when the part 2 goes live. Just to let you guys know, we will be driving down to Sonmarg tomorrow, so it is going to be like a 3-hour drive, 3.5 hour drive. I'll obviously keep you guys posted, and yeah, that's it. Good night. The view here is absolutely gorgeous. If you're coming on a horse, it feels a little scary.
यहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान का बॉर्डर, वहाँ पाकिस्तान का, वहाँ से सलमान खान आ रहा था।